In today's video, we are going to show you how to export to PDF in ClickUp. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then head over to the left side area of the navigation, and I want you to click the dashboard. If you do, you need to choose a dashboard template first to get started so that we can export all the information in that specific dashboard in a short while. Now, you can choose from task management, AI team center, time tracking. You can use an AI personal center or project management, or if you want to start from scratch, you can also do that. But for now, we're gonna choose the task management. Now, from here, all I have to do is choose the workspace that you wanted this dashboard to be part of. So you can choose from any of the following spaces. But for now, we're going to choose the second one, which is how to export to PDF and ClickUp. If you do, click on it, and then click the Create Dashboard. It may take a little while, but once you are done with everything, you can tweak, edit all of the settings and the information. You can add more tasks along the way, more lists if you wanted. And then on the top right corner, this is the most crucial step. Okay, you see there is an option here that says export as PDF right here. You see that? I want you to click that because this is an option for you to export PDF to email or download PDF. It's up to you. If you choose the first option, which is downloading PDF, what will happen is it will generate a PDF. It may take a little while, but wait for it, okay? Now, as you may notice, the file has been downloaded. And then the next option is, again, we can export the PDF to email if you prefer that. Wait for it. As you may notice, the email will export soon. It will be prompted when it's done. After exporting, you can check your browser's download folder. Your PDF should already be there. And as you can see, I opened the PDF in my Adobe Illustrator. So you can share, print, or attach your document, or you can edit that along the way. And basically, that's how easy it is to export anything to a PDF and ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.